Good afternoon, my African brothers and sisters. I hope you all keep safe and all the virus situation going on. So it's it's really hard to deal with at the moment. But I hope you keep faith, keep positive, no fear, no panic. As the rest of the world keep from the beginning uh, with the media, TV, radio, newspaper, all bombarding people with the fear, and as you know, fear makes people scared, and basically your immune system lowers, becomes weak, and it's proven scientifically, and the scientists, doctors talking about it. If you research, you see it. So from the beginning, they should have prepared some people like, this is about your first line of defense, your immune system. Keep your immune system strong by taking, taking vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C. And we have vitamin D, D in abundance in Africa, and vitamin A with the fruits and food and vegetables like that, dark vegetables, and vitamin C, the fruits. So this is what the specialists in immune system, doctors who deal with biologies and been saying. And people that have immune system, they are weak. Really, really has been the majority of them that have been dying. It's not only me is saying, but that's what they're not telling. So I hope you all stay safe. Try to avoid, the elderly because their weak immune system. Anyway, so with regards to all this situation, the WHO said Africa is going to be hit hard and this and that and that. We look at a nation like Senegal. They have developed a very cheap kit to test people to see who has or hasn't. So reach to Senegal nation and help bring this kit in mass production to help other nations. So we gotta unite because one of the main problems with the African continent is all the nations is everybody for himself. This is what one of the main problems we have. And Julius Malemba, South African brother, has been saying this for a long time. So I hope you all keep good, real, safe, and God bless Africa.